Exercise Review 1, National Book Foundation, question number 13. Amna says that 2 and 5 by 8 is same as 2.58. Part number A, convert 2 and 5 by 8 into a decimal. Part B, was Amna correct in saying that 2 and 5 by 8 same as 2.58? तो ये हमने चेक करना है कि क्या जो उसने हमें कहा है कि 2 and 5 by 8 same as 2.58 is correct or not correct. 2 and 5 by 8 convert into decimal fractions. So first of all we have to change into common fraction. 8 को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई, 8 2 16, 16 में 5 ऐड करेंगे तो 21/8. 2 8 16 प्लस 5 16, 5 21 21/8. अब we have to convert into the decimal fractions. So now we divide 21/8. 8 2 16, 5 रिमाइंडर होगा, डेसिमल 0, 8 6 48 होता है, 8 6 48, 2 रिमाइंडर 0, 8 2 16, 4 रिमाइंडर और 0, 8 5 यहाँ अब हम 5 लगाएंगे, 8 5 40, तो 8 5 40. So in decimal fraction we convert 2 and 5 by 8 in common fraction 21/8, and in decimal fraction 2.625. 2.625 required result. Part A we have to convert into the decimal fraction. Now part B, was Amna correct in saying that 2 and 5 by 8 same as 2.858? In part B, 2 and 5 by 8 is equal to 2.625 but not is equal to 2.58. Amna says that 2.2 and 5 by 8 is same as the 2.58. So she was not correct to saying that 2 and 5 by 8 same as 2.58. She is not correct. Negative, not. She was not correct to saying that 2 and 5 by 8 same as 2.58. It is not correct. So she was not correct in saying that 2 and 5 by 8 is same as 2.58.